Okay, so today I've got a little trick I've learned that I'd like to share with everybody. One of the things we have to do here quite a bit is make web ads, and I don't know about you, but I have not the easiest time making them in Photoshop. I think that when you're dealing with a lot of typesetting, that it gets really clunky in Photoshop. It's hard to get things to align right, or messing with your kerning. Things like that are just awkward and clunky when you're trying to do them in Photoshop. And centering things can be kind of difficult because you're just eyeballing it. So I find that InDesign has a lot more tools that I I know better, and I'm just I feel like I'm better equipped, and it's easier for me to make things that look good using InDesign than working in Photoshop. And there is a way to make web ads directly using InDesign. So I'm just going to show you a quick trick because I have a couple here I have to make for my titles, and they're really awkward sizes. One is 728 by 90 pixels, and the other one is 300 by 50. So, basically they're hot dog ads, and to try to typeset and, even to add images in the background, it can get a little clunky when you're trying to do all that in Photoshop. I also like that InDesign, I've got a desktop area I can work with outside of the project that I'm working on. So, if I want to try different things, I can just set them over, and it's just easier than trying to work with all those layers. So, to get started here, we're just going to create a new document using InDesign. And like I said, the size of this is 728 by 90. So if you just click here, oh, look at that, you can choose pixels. So we're going to do 728 by 90 pixels. Boom. So there's my ad now that I have, and it's all in InDesign. So I have access to all of the tools, that I would normally use in InDesign. Works out much slicker. So we're going to put a little border on this, say like so. I can make sure everything's lined up easily. And I'm going to add my type, like click here. Oh, come on, computer, catch up. Click here to subscribe to my magazine. Or whatever the main message is. You've got all your fonts. It's easy to go in and mess with them. Like I said, it's just, for me, it's a lot easier to deal with type and stuff like this. Another thing I really enjoy about doing these in InDesign is when I need a little button, like click here. Some way I like to do them that I think looks eye-catching and appealing. Do that, whatever color you want your button to be, put a little border on it. I can go up here and adjust my corners. Then, using the effects palette, I can do things like bevel and emboss. Make that little button stand up a little bit. Maybe put a very slight drop shadow on it. Something like that. Easy to change the colors to, just have standard colors on here. But so easy to center things, and align. I feel like I just have more control when I'm working in InDesign. So maybe you're totally comfortable working in Photoshop. But okay, button. Okay, so I get my ad designed, and I want to put an image back here of a magazine cover. Let's pretend. I have no idea what these are. Just or whatever. I'm going to put an image back here. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so there's my ad. I'm ready to run with it. It's going to be great. So what I can do here is, here's another little trick that I've learned. I want to package this up and save it for the website. So I'm going to package it. Yeah, we got to save it first. I'm going to save it in the promotions folder. Sorry, I should have had a shortcut for this setup. Internet. Save. 01317I. We're going to call this writer 728 by 90 web ad. What's up, ad? Create. I'm going to save this. 01317I. Oh, okay. Fine, whatever. I said fine. Okay, and I usually like to remove the name folder. I know it's not necessary, but whatever. Packaging this. Okay, and then here's another neat little thing I can do. I can export this. I'm going to export it as a JPEG. I'm going to put it right out in the main folder. Save. I'm going to set it to maximum. I'm going to use baseline. I'm going to set my resolution at 72, and I'm going to export it. And now it's created a JPEG exactly 728 by 90. Okay, now, I don't know if you know this a lot, but I think one of the pain in the butt things about how you have to save it and then it saves another version of the same InDesign document inside when I've packaged it. So, but if you know, you can hit Control, move to trash. Boom, it's gone now. So now I just have the one version. How about that? Huh? Pretty slick, eh? Okay, and there's my JPEG right there, so then I can send that JPEG off to the web guys, and it's ready to go. That's it. That's my method for easily creating web ads while using InDesign, the luxury of InDesign. Okay, thanks. Bye.